Our motto is mathematics made simple. Mathematics made simple. In our previous lesson, we looked at equations in one unknown, and today in our lesson 10, we are going to look at equations in two variables or equations in two unknowns. When you are given equations in two unknowns, they are known as simultaneous equations. So to find those unknowns, there are three methods we are going to use, but to start with, we'll start with the elimination method. The word simultaneous means to occur at the same time. The word simultaneous means to occur at the same time. Eliminate means to get rid. Eliminate means to get rid. Let's look at an example. We have solved the following simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So we have those two equations in two unknowns. It means we have to find the value of x and y. The same value of x and y should make those two equations into two sentences. Now, you cannot use the elimination method if your coefficients are not the same. So, for example, x and 2x, we cannot eliminate because this x has coefficient 1, this x has coefficient 2. But y can be eliminated. We can get rid of y because it has coefficient 1 and 1. When the signs are different, what are we supposed to do? Add the equations. So, we'll add them like that. So we have x plus y is equals to 4 and 2x minus y is equals to 5. We are going to add them. You add the x on their own and the y's on their own and the numbers on their own. If you add x plus 2x, you get 3x. Add y plus negative y, what are you going to get? 0. 4 plus 5 will give us 9. So we have 3x plus 0 is equals to what? Is equals to 9. We continue. So we are having 3x is equals to 9 because if you add 3x plus 0, you are going to get a 3x. To find the value of x, what are we supposed to do? We'll divide both sides by the coefficient. When we divide 3 into 9, what are we going to get? 3. Therefore, our x is equals to 3. But this is incomplete. This is incomplete because we have to find the value of y. So we are going to say x plus y is equals to 4 when x is equals to 3. Where there's x, we are going to substitute a 3. So we are going to say 3 plus y is equals to 4. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to transpose this 3. It will become a negative. So we'll take it to the right-hand side. We are going to have y is equals to 4 minus 3. Therefore, our y is equals to 1. But our final answer has to be written like this. Both the variables have to be written. So we are saying therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to what? To 1. So when we substitute this value of x and this value of y into both the equations, they are going to give us true sentences. Let's go to the next example. The next example, we have 11x plus 5y is equals to 9 and 11x plus 3y is equals to 1. So when you look at these two equations, you find that 11 and 11 are the same. We have the same coefficient here, meaning we can eliminate what? X. So the signs are the same. Both of them are positive. When the signs are the same, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract. So we are saying 11x minus 11x will give us a 0. Then 5y minus 3y is giving us what? 2y. 9 minus 1 is giving us 8. So if we subtract 11x minus 11x, we are getting a 0. 5y minus 3y is giving us 2y. 9 minus 1 is giving us what? 8. We continue. So we have 2y is equals to 8. To find the value of y, what are we supposed to do? Divide both sides by the coefficient. 2 into 8 is 4. Therefore, our y is equals to 4. Is this complete? No. We have to use this value of y to find the value of x. So we'll pick the second equation. We have 11x plus 3y is equals to 1 when y is equals to 4. Where there's y here, we are going to replace a what? A 4. So we are saying 11x plus 3, open brackets, 4, close your brackets, is equals to 1. Now we know that brackets mean we are supposed to multiply. So we have 11x plus Multiply 3 times 4. What are you going to get? 12 is equals to 1. So what are we supposed to do? Group the like terms together. We are supposed to transpose this 12. Move it from the left side to the right hand side. The sign will do what? Change. Now, integers are negative and positive numbers including 0. When the signs are different, subtract the numbers, put the sign of the larger number. So if I subtract 12 minus 1, I'm getting 11. 12 has a negative sign, so our answer is going to be a negative 11. So we have 11x is equals to negative 11. To find the value of x, what are we supposed to do? Divide both sides by the coefficient. So our x is equals to negative 1. Our final answer is, therefore, x is equals to negative 1 and y is equals to 4. Let's go to the next example. We have 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 15. Now, when you look at those, you find that x has different coefficients and y has different coefficients. The coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of y is 3, and the coefficient of that y is 4. What we are supposed to do is to either make y have the same coefficient or make x have the same coefficient. We are going to make x to have the same coefficient by multiplying the first equation by 3 and the second one by 2. Let's do that. So we are going to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2. So if I multiply 3 times 2x, I'm going to get a 6x. 3 times 3y will give me a 9y. 3 times 11 is giving me 33. 2 times 3x is giving me 6x. 2 times 4y will give us 8y. And 2 times 15 will give us what? 30. That's what we are going to get. So now, since the coefficients now are the same and the signs are the same, what are we going to do? We'll subtract. When we subtract 6x minus 6x, we are going to get a 0. 9y minus 8y will get 1y. And 33 minus 30 will give us a 3. Therefore, y is equals to 3. But is this complete? No. We are saying 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. We'll pick the first equation and substitute the value of y to solve for x. So we are saying 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 when y is equals to 3. Where there's y here, we will replace or substitute that 3. So we are saying 2x plus 3, open your brackets, 3, close your brackets, is equals to 11. Brackets mean multiplication. We are going to multiply 3 times 3 to give us a 9. So we have 2x plus 9 is equals to 11. What are we supposed to do? Group them. We are going to group the numbers on the right hand side. So this 9 has to be transposed. It will become a negative. So we are saying 2x is equals to 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is equals to what? To 2. So we have 2x is equals to 2. Are we going to leave it like that? No. We'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is what? 2. 2 into 2, 1. Our x is equals to what? To 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. I hope that is simple. Let's go to our exercise. Our exercise is saying, use the elimination method to solve the simultaneous equations. The first one, we have x plus 3y is equals to 0. The second one is x minus 3y is equals to 6. Then we have b. 4 plus 3b is equals to 9. 2a plus 3b is equals to 3. Last but not the least, we have 2m plus 9 is n is equals to 3. And 3m plus 2n is equals to 4. Hope to see your solutions.